Hi everyone, it's Sharon. I am here today to share with you my April design team project for Gi Kerr Happiness and Crafting. And I thought I would start out first just to share the pages and the pieces of the kit with you. And then I will come back and show you what I actually made with them. So this kit is called, the one I'm working with this month, Classic Easter Bags and Tags. Really cute. I'm excited about this one. So it's made up mainly of different size bags, paper bags or sacks that you can make. So this is the first one. And then we have the cute little duckies. And I think this is a bigger size. This guy is phenomenal. Love him. And then this one. Just love these vintage images. And then on this sheet, I put two of these smaller bags. So you can see the patterns on those. And then I thought I would print a couple of these smaller ones on a piece of vellum. So I'm looking forward to playing around with some, putting together some vellum bags. This is the image on this side. And then the last sheet in this kit is a number of different size tags that coordinate with the bags. Again, with all those pretty colors and images on there. So I am going to go and have some fun playing around with this kit, and then I will be back to show you what I made. Hi everyone, I am back, and I've had myself quite a fun play with this kit. I put together 8 bags and several tags that I used. I used pretty much everything from the kit. I thought I would start out with showing you how to construct one of the bags from the kit because Gi has made it very easy. These print out on a regular size sheet of paper, so for US it would be 8.5 by 11. And you just cut around the outside and then start folding it along these brown lines on the image. So I first folded up the bottom and all these flaps, which will form the flaps for the bottom of the bag. And then along these lines, I just folded along each one all the way across. And what that does is it forms the sides of your bag. And what I found was easiest was to glue the side first. So I put some glue along here just with my glue stick and then glued that together first. And then the bottom, I folded the small flaps in first and then just ran some glue along these large flaps and glued that together, and you've got yourself a cute little Easter bag. So, I will start out by showing you the largest size that I made. So there are 2 of these, and they just have these wonderful images on them. You really don't need to decorate them up a whole lot because they're so pretty as is. On this one, what I did was I pinched the top together and stapled it, and then I folded this doily over the top of the bag, punched a couple of holes in there for my ribbon, and just ran this pretty gingham ribbon right through those holes and tied it up. And these would make really nice gift bags, a place to put some goodies in. I'll set that one over here. And then this one, similar, I pinched it together along the top, but this one I punched decorative edge along the top and then punched the 2 holes and ran the ribbon through that, tied a bow. And then I tied this pretty tag on there. This is one of the tags from the kit. I just layered it up with some book page and then added a tissue paper ruffle along the bottom of that. That turned out cute, I think. Then the next size, there are 2 of these. They're the same width as the taller ones, they're just not quite as tall. So what I did with these, this one I added this satin ribbon as the handle on the top. And then I put this tissue paper ruffle around the top side again. I just glued that on. And then to keep the inside looking neat, I added a liner on the inside of this just to kind of cover up the edge of that ruffle. This is what the back side looks like. And then I took one of the tags from the kit and one of the labels, Happy Easter Greetings label, and some of that ribbon and put those on a bulb pin and just tied that on. I think that turned out really cute too. These really whip up pretty fast, which is really nice if you're in a hurry and you want a quick little gift bag. For this one, I took one of my paper punches and made a handle. So this is a paper handle, and I think that looks pretty. And then around the top of this one, I have these little sample fabric swatches, and I just did a little pinking on the top of that and layered those all up around the top edge. I think that turned out nice too. And then I took one of the tags from the kit, layered that with some scrapbooking paper, and punched some holes and added a ribbon to the top of that. I think I'm losing my voice. We'll see how we do here. Okay, that's that one, and I also lined the inside of that one as well. Then there are 4 smaller bags in this kit, and as I showed you, 2 of them I printed on vellum. So these 2 are the vellum bags. I think it's just kind of fun to see that translucent look. And what I did with these was I took a couple of the smaller tags from the kit and punched circles with those. And then I threaded a ribbon right through that and hung it onto the handles. I used this green rickrack for the handles. And then I filled them with some paper confetti from my shredder. But you could, you know, add some goodies, little treats in there. I think these would make really nice party favors for guests or for a shower or something like that. I'll show you what the backs of these look like. That's this one. And then this one all the way around. I just really like the way those turned out too. And then these last 2, I thought these little bags would make really nice place cards. So if you're having a sit-down party for Easter, you could use these as, you know, a place card. So what I did was I took the smallest tags from the kit and I just stamped some names on there. And these I pinched at the top as well. Like these I just left open with handles, but these I pinched and stapled shut with these tags on the top. And what I did was I took 2 tags from the kit so I could back it. It looked pretty on both sides. And then along the side of this one, I glued on one of the labels from the kit as well. And you could fill these with little goodies. This one, I just glued this paper button on the back. And I think those would be fun little things to give your guest. And then what I had left over were some of the tags yet from the kit. So I thought I am going to make some larger tags out of these. They're just, the images are so beautiful. I wanted to make sure I used every last piece of this kit. So what I did for these 3 tags was I took, this is the original tag from the kit. I layered it with some scrapbooking paper, some old German book page, and then I added a label to the bottom so you could write a name or a sentiment on there. And then I glued all of that to these old vintage time cards that I have. And I put a ribbon at the top for the tags. So, you know, these could be added to an Easter basket or a gift, and you could write the person's name there and a sentiment on the back. Or if you're putting these into an Easter journal, this would be a fun place to journal on the back as well. So I've got that one, this beautiful image. And again, did the same type of layering on there, ribbon at the top. And then I also did decorative punch on all of these on the bottom. And this guy, he is really neat looking. I love that image. So that is my project for April, and a lot of fun. I haven't decided what I'm doing for next month yet, but I'm sure it will be equally as fun and challenging. I hope you all have a good day, and until next time, bye-bye.